Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So, Team Ismash, I have noticed you guys have been asking a lot about the houses that I promote, the properties that I promote, and even recently, I get a question which was very, I don't know if it's equivocal, I guess. Somebody asked what my channel basically about, and truth be told, if you really subscribe to my channel and watch my channel, you would notice that my channel is mainly about real estate, and me I try venture onto other things as we go along. I'm kind of just show people how construction is done, the nitty-gritty, and give people advice on how to execute certain tasks like buying houses and properties and etc. I'm share my experience within the field of construction for the last couple of years. Some things I've got through, may I pass on wisdom, and you guys should learn from my mistake. So now this is a vlog where I have this virgin where man, when me used to, you guys don't know that part about my life when I used to drive taxi.
Enough already. Yeah, man.
Not like the Jota tour taxi, like I used to carry tourists only, like to the airport, around the island, and etc. etc. I had a 7-seater, so me used to work with different guest houses around the place. I think me did I go to school at the time and drive and all of them good stuff there. So me used to do all of that. Me used to, as I said, me dibble and dabble in every little field I can think of. And in today's vlog now, we are currently at a friend of mine's house, and they are probably at some point in my vlog may they show this unit, but they are now selling this unit. And honestly, truth be told, if me did have the money, I would have probably cash out on it. This vlog I actually spoke about the price, so stay tuned, you will know soon. So this is the unit that is up for sale here in the beautiful community of Iron Shore, Montego Bay. So guys, if my memory serves me right, we sit on about half acre. That's about 100, that's about 200, somewhere go there about half acre. So since the last time I've been here, I can see the recent updates. The most recent updates, I should say. The compound walls. You can see them do a one down and that. And this side of the property again, so both the left and the right side of the property, as you can see the chain link fence at the top. Some people call it, what they call it, Caribbean fencing, which is a company, I don't know where them get that from. And you can see block at the bottom, so I don't want to wall, go right up. And also the is a recent upgrade with this. So guys, there's the unit. It consists of 11 bedrooms, 9.5 to an extent, and we are going on the inside in a few. I just wanted to show you guys the outside to give you guys a clear idea visually how the property looks. Gentle little slope, you guys. Key thing, note, this is a villa style property. So that's my notebook before we enter the building, but so far outside I'm loving it. And keep in mind guys, we are in the beautiful neighborhood of Iron Shore, Montego Bay. The sea is just over there, but as soon as we go up on the pool deck area, I'll show you guys. So I don't know if the Benz come with it, but you should inquire about that. So we can either enter from the front or the back. I think I'm going to enter from the front. Buenos dias. So guys, we have entered the living room or the living area. So as you can see, it is not really an open concept living area. The dining is behind me, which I'll show you guys right now. The dining area along with the kitchen around here. So this is dining. So let me reiterate, this is a villa style unit. So it is built as mainly for investment purposes. So if you are interested in owning a mini hotel, a villa, anything of that sort, this is the style for you. So let's enter the kitchen. First person to comment the Spanish word for kitchen wins some. So this is the kitchen, and recent upgrade again. So the manager said this is granite countertop, which is a recent upgrade with a splash around the back, and wash, cupboard. You guys, I'm showing it as it is. So based on this video, I just hope you guys not necessarily, even though you should, need a walkthrough. I hope this video gives enough detail of the unit that you guys can say, alright, based on what I say on Ismash channel, I can make an offer. Under a laundry area, don't know this thing pull, why I'm pull it. So this is huge. So you can do all the washing and all of that around here. So this is away from the guests, so that's a plus. So guys, if you purchase this property, you all know, say, yeah, you can do all your full renos. You can have this kitchen to somewhat industrial to accommodate the 11 rooms available in this unit, and we should get this ball rolling. So note guys, if we have 10 rooms and we can get $60 a night from this unit, we are talk 10, I'm gonna do the maths because the IQ is a bit shaky. So let's do the maths. If we were at $60 per room per night, so if we have 60 times 10, which is 600 a night, times 30, which is 18,000, times the exchange rate, which is 147. We're at 2.6 per month at full capacity, and we minus our expenses, which the mortgage comes up to about 300,000 if you have mortgage it, and other expense another 300,000. We safely can say we're between $1 million and $2 million per month on this unit as an investment property. Before we get carried away, let's go into the room, because that's one of the most important things. Because can we even get 60 per night for these rooms? Let's find out. Bedroom number 1. So guys, all the units are fitted with an AC unit, so air conditioned unit, so you guys can stay cool in the summer times. I don't know things. Or a little closet, and somebody stated in my last video when I was staring inside the mirrors, all you do is video yourself. You are such a narcissist. And you know, water heater, electric water heater. Bathtub. I look a split, you know. The water closet over there, so it's alright bathroom, but can we get 60? Can you get 60? I think we can get 60. I think we can get 60, maybe 70. Bedroom number 1. 101, dog mission. Bedroom number 2. As stated, we are climbing upwards to 11 rooms. Villa style. Nice. TVs, I am not sure. When you guys inquire, you guys will know whether or not you will get appliances with the unit and also furnitures. Stay tuned. Bathroom. Narcissistic. Fitted. Guys, I tell you, if I had it, guys, I would. In here, some might get a little bit hot at times, but that's what that is for. Guys, in here, and it's a claustrophobic, this is not the room for you. Bedroom number 3. These rooms are on the first floor of the building. The split level is down there, so is on the first floor. Or the ground level is down there, so. Wow, bathroom here, right? Nice sets thus far. Dig a look of vibes, You already knows. So, as you can see, this investment property, in terms of renovations, so far I'm seeing 0. Defects, so far I'm seeing 0. You guys, at your own soothing, you guys can come through and like, alright, me feel like this can be revised just for my sake, you know, upgraded just for my sake. So far it can be as is. Nice. Seat AC unit again. Nice. So far I'm gonna change these doors. So far. So we're going on the upstairs now, guys. We have 3 ways to access the second floor of the building. This is one. Kind of tight, but my aim in these videos is not to sell you a house. I do not charge to film houses or anything like that, so I'm not obligated to pick any side when viewing these houses. I just film genuinely just for the team and for persons out there who are shopping. I have your best interest at heart, so hear me out. I am fair. So if I say something looks so nice, I'm tell them I say it looks so nice. Come on, you get me. So this is bedroom number 4. If I'm not even name say that good, but okay. So this one has the biggest bed of them all. Let me see. This look like a queen, maybe a king, but it look doubled based on having a leg right there. So this is bigger than the other rooms by far. We're approximately 14 by 14, 12 by 12 to 14 by 14. Thereabout. We have a pilot. Don't know, we have the wash the face with the cake soap, the AC, air condition unit. And guys, anybody who buy this unit, me personally, I got insurance on to get them TV here. Personal. I mean, some man of my word. Trust me on that. We're in the bathroom now. Do not call this a restroom, and do not call a restroom a bathroom, please. Noise again. You can see them. They look like a recess type of thingy with the water closet around here. So face basin, mirror because I'm a narcissist. Water heater with the bath again. I must say, guys, I hope these videos are comprehensive enough to give you guys a full understanding of what you guys are getting for your guys' money. Bedroom number 4. So don't mind these stuff because, as I say, them I prefer sell the units. So Things going all over the place, so let's get it. Where is the switch? 1, 2. Can I get a number 3, please? So this is the only lighting in the room. That can't suffice this entire room. This has minimal lighting. So we're talking about we need something up on the ceiling, and we need more light in here. So definitely, unless this is the type of room, you know. Anyways, this now is the largest room thus far, the biggest. This is more leaning to the 14-16, and we have our wardrobe, I'm guessing. Yeah, I think this is called a wardrobe. Ward. What is the name? Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Yeah, so wardrobe. We're looking at a wardrobe. So I do not like wardrobe personally, but I'm hoping I'm saying this correctly. And look at dresser. The little thing there. Another room here, hot brother. This needs some windows, and this definitely needs some lighting and a fan or 2 AC unit maybe. This door is closed. I believe there's a storage room around there, so. And this is the bathroom for this room. And all the rooms are equipped with a bathroom. I think none has a Jack and Jill. And yeah, it is perfect so far. But still some 60 per unit. Still some 60 per room. Still can't see it. I've stayed here before once. I remember me that after though. As I say, it can be upgraded. This is our balcony area for the same room where you can chill and smoke and have a little gathering. I believe this is the quarantine room for now, because it is still an active guest house, our villa. It is still an active villa. So if you guys come here and show symptoms, I believe stipulation, cause every registered villas to have a quarantine room. So I believe this is the quarantine room. Where's my mask? So that is room number what? Number 5. So we're in room number 6. No sir. Them light here not gonna work, brother. Not gonna work. So room number 6. Wardrobe again. Let's see if we have no termite infestado. Let's see if we have any infestado going on. So we have timber roofing, so it's very important to check the roofs and ensure say no infestation take place or things of that nature. Based on look at this, you have some of the units are brand spanking new, and as stated, Ismash will ensure they get this house with the air conditioned units. Smoke. Narcissistic. So our number 6 bathroom. Feels a bit feeble. You can see that me did try reach out back to the owner to get what year house this is, and but me not get no response as yet. So if you, by the time this video is up and you guys ask, I will be able to tell you guys. As I said, me said the location already, so stop bullying me on telling you guys the location and where I'm at. This is in Iron Shore. So boom, vanity, and I get a wall. Where is bedroom number 7? So we have our little balcony area here. So that leads onto another bedroom over there. So, but I go down there so first. No, I go over there so first. And the pool downstairs, but we will get to that in a few. Bedroom number 5 or 7, one of them. Something like that. Hey guys, easy to punish them, man. So yeah guys, this is room number 7, and then we're having another wardrobe unit, which I don't like. Bathroom. Again, all the rooms are fitted with its own bathroom, and so far you guys can bear witness with me, we're seeing no form of renovation work needed. Bedroom number 8. Here's a room with a balcony. Hi neighbors. Towards the front of the yard, and we have, as you can see, we have our awnings going right around. So bedroom 8 is nice. Where's the bathroom for bedroom 8? Bathroom for bedroom 8 is around here. Another one. So far them have the same style, different dimensions, but so that is the living area. This is a second choice access to upstairs, along with the other side that I showed you guys, and boom, third access up here. If I remember serving right, this is no well, no spine wall, no anything like that. They come up with a quarter span, and you're up here. So boom, bedroom number 9 isn't giving me any light, so let's see. So we are inside bedroom number 9. Again, this is not the biggest of them all. Mirror on the wall. We have our accordion closet. I'll finally get some lighting. And let's have a look inside our bathroom. And bedroom number 10, but it's currently being used as a storage area or a storage room, so the best will be saved for another day. Bedroom number 11, which is on the outside towards the side, is another room that is being used somewhat of a storage area. You know, helpers quarters can be used as something like that. And yeah, now you have an idea of all 11 rooms are. Let's look at the pool.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you can lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me.
The verdict is, this house is a buy for me. I don't see much work here. A few little upgrades here and there, and you should be fine. As we said, we can make a lot of money on this unit, so you have no reason than to take the risk in your life and make some money. Money kind of make your world go around. So guys, this part is the part that you guys have been waiting for. since the middle or the beginning of the vlog. Is Ismash going to state the price? Yes, Ismash is going to state the price. I've told you guys many times. This house is currently listed. You guys know Iron Shore prices, them always up there, especially when you come on. So a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, 6-bedroom unit in Iron Shore, we're talking $1 million. Come on, it's 2021. This house is currently being listed on the market with the possibility of you earning $1 million a month free of cost. $1 million free of cost at month and paying for the building. This investment property is going for almost $500,000, $490,000 which equates about to 70 something million Jamaican dollar. And honestly guys, being in the construction field and industry, real estate industry, I see this as a steal. May I tell you, me would I buy, but you don't know. I'm not in your guys' position right now to afford such great investments, so you guys should definitely take up the opportunity that life presents upon you guys once in a blue moon and maximize on it, capitalize on it. This house is a Team Ismash. If you guys are interested in this house, you guys can always shoot me an email. We set up everything for you and make sure you wanna get what you deserve and at the best deal, guys. Best deal, man. Make sure that you guys get the TVs, all of that good stuff with the unit because you guys deserve it. You guys are family. Team Ismash, let me know. Thanks for watching this vlog. I am out. This should be your casa.